This week we're looking at Gousto. And Gousto is one of the biggest players in the food prep industry, so I can't wait to explore it. So please join me in watching this review.
Big boy moves. Big boy moves.
It's just one medium-sized box and they filled it up. This one first and then this one. Let's go. They will teach you some useful cooking techniques that you can keep.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
I think they've actually been smarter with Gousto than HelloFresh. It's very hearty, like, filled with flavour. A lot of portions for a low price.
So for this week, I looked at Gousto, and Gousto is one of those meal prep companies where they'll send you all the ingredients and the recipe, and then it's up to you to make it yourself. Sort of summary of the findings. Gousto is a bit cheaper quality than some of the other brands like Green Chef or HelloFresh, but it's cheaper price, cheap quality, and that's Gousto. Okay, so ordering from Gousto, and really excited to get started with this one. I actually just did the order, but for whatever reason, the video recording equipment I'm working with just didn't load it. So annoyingly, I've now ordered the food, but don't have the video of me doing it. So I'm gonna have to recreate it now. The website is really well put together. It's just so quick to order. So you go to the main page and you go get started. And then they tell you about it. They're like, join us today and your first order is 60% off. So you're like, awesome, press claim discount. And so what I did is I picked it for 5 people, and then you put your address, then you pick the day, and then you just do front porch. And then it's like, all right, let's pick menus. So what I did is I did quick and easy, picked this one looked banging. I noticed that here, although it says 60 minutes, the prep time's like just 5 minutes. So what this means is if I prep this one first, I just stick it in the oven, and as I'm waiting, I can cook the other 2 meals. Big boy moves. Big boy moves. So yeah, this might just be a absolute game changer. So slam, picked that one, and then it was this one. And then go to checkout, and you do stuff here, and here's the breakdown. And then after you do this, it'll take you to the next page for payment and delivery. And you just press the payment, and then boom, it says it's going to come soon. It talks about there's an app you can download, and the app will, it'll give you all their recipes, and it'll keep you updated with the tracking of the order. So yeah, pretty good.
Oof. Nice. So, something I noticed, which is quite cool, is that it's just one medium-sized box and they filled it up. Because some of the other boxes, they're huge. I guess just a lot of packaging and stuff, but yeah, just less drama, just having one tiny box. The menus are pretty small and it's just wedged down the side. Okay, so here's the Green Chef compared with one of the menus from Gousto. I think they've actually been smarter with Gousto than HelloFresh or Green Chef. HelloFresh is very similar to Green Chef. Yeah, something I noticed about this, which is going to be a problem, is there's a lot of ingredients and there's no clear label. What does this say? Receipt for a blockbuster night in. A cast of starring ingredients, a cinematic chef, an award-worthy dinner. I thought I'd won a free cinema ticket or something, but no, it's just some tacky pun. They lose a point for that. Yeah, so this is going to be killer hard not super hard, but an extra task to sort of work out what goes with what. It's all just muddled up. So that is something which Green Chef and HelloFresh definitely are better at then, because this is going to be a bit annoying. It is finally time to cook the Gousto food. And so I'm very excited for this one because so far I think this could be the replacement for HelloFresh for me. It could be my go-to because for me, for my setup, it could be the one which is most useful, adds most value, and the best cost benefit for me. So something I'm liking is that actually you can cook for 5 people instead of 4 people. And so I'm thinking with the same amount of time that I spend cooking, I can get an extra 3 meals. So that'd be very good. Did the unboxing earlier, and there was a few differences between HelloFresh, and I've noticed some others. If I bring you here, okay, so what I've done is I've got the 3 meals, and so I've separated it. But also, just a note, this actually did take some time, as you might imagine. It took maybe about 5-10 minutes. So yeah, I've laid everything out because it was just in a messy pile. So I think this is actually a new thing where they do it for 5 people, because their menus only go up to 4. And with the quantity sometimes, yeah, like if I go to the lime, for example, lime, so it says 1 lime. Because I'm doing it for 5 people, they played it safe to give me an extra lime. So quite a few things. I've got extra ingredients, as in like a disproportional amount more. It's not like an extra ingredients for an extra person from 4 to 5. It's like, in this case, you know, I've got 100% increase in limes. Okay, that's the plan. This one first, and then this one. Let's go. The time is 7:46. Okay, that's the mince done. What's next? What's next? So this is what I like about some of these cooking stuff, is that they'll teach you, these cooking recipe meal prep companies, is they will teach you some useful cooking techniques that you can keep. Don't really get it. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty good. Pretty good. Mike's been in. So almost added in the wrong thing, but now I've got the ginger paste. That was good. It almost ruined 2 dishes, or at least altered the flavour. Yeah, pretty good. So I need to somehow stir it. Ooh, fuck. It's getting splashed. It's saying half the basil. Actually, it's saying about the rice. I'm gonna mix the natural yogurt with the coriander, and then I'm gonna dice up the cheese. Grab the limes, squeeze that lime juice in. Okay, we get on to the last one. I'm exhausted, I want to finish. Okay, it's the bacon mushroom Alfredo. It's not like salad at all. Salad is ready to eat. It's already cooked. This is just bits of bacon pretty much. Okay, so something it's saying is saying, oh, okay, after I wash these, if it doesn't even say to wash them, just crumble them with my hands. And actually that is a bit of a game changer as well. That saves a lot of time. So we've got our lardons, we've got our Chinese rice wine, we've got our roasted garlic puree. Oof, and you go. Yeah, nice. Been actually not too bad. It's been about 2.5 hours. I did take actually a big break. I did take about a 20-minute break. So, not as rapid as my HelloFresh cooking, but I'm quite used to that. So here we have it. We have the 15 meals. So that's actually lunch and dinner for every day of the week with one extra. So it's actually really good. I've never actually had this many meals prepped before. So yeah, just need to take care of breakfast tomorrow. It's almost 11. So what, started at 7:30, took a 20-minute break. So about 3 hours maybe. Okay, so I'm trying the spaghetti pasta from Gousto. So just come home from work, super tired. And this is just where it is so good having meal prepped because, yeah, no way I could cook tonight. So just quickly shut this in the microwave, 4 minutes, here we go. Thing is, you can't go too wrong when you've got like all this cream and cheese and bread. We've got lardons, which is puts in the bacon instead of pancetta. So the HelloFresh equivalent does have pancetta, and it is actually a bit better. Yeah, like the food's okay. Tastes good, it hits the spot on things, but that Green Chef was actually pretty good quality, all the stuff. It seemed quite fancy. And HelloFresh is decent. This seems like a step below. If HelloFresh is a step below Green Chef, this feels a step below HelloFresh. This said, made 15 meals in one go. It was super cheap. And yeah, so you can't complain too much, but yeah, no, it's pretty good, pretty good. Okay, so this is the oven-baked beef mince with black bean chili. So yeah, I've got the yogurt left over with the onions, coriander, then we've got a little breadcrumbs. So I have actually had one of these already, so they're quite good for just scooping in. I haven't made chili in ages. It's very good, it's like soaked in all the flavour. It's very hearty, like filled with flavour. Almost worth the mass amount of prep time this took before sticking it in the oven. No winner, very good. With Gousto, this is the rice meal. And so I've got to admit, this is not my first portion of this meal. And what I found is just with the rice, it's very noticeable, the low quality. If you recall, with the rice, it was just from a packet. And it just comes out like a cube, and they do their best to crush it up. But yeah, it was nowhere near as good. And I'm not even fussy, like you've seen how I make my rice. So I'm no expert. But even so, it's a lot more budget. The taste, the quality is massively worse, and so it sort of puts me off ever getting a rice dish from Gousto if this is how the rice is gonna come. I did go off script a bit and added way too much lime juice, so it does taste a bit funny, this one. So to be honest, it's a pretty average meal, but yeah, still a lot of portions for a low price.
Okay, so for when it comes to the nutrition and price, for the nutrition, I haven't really looked at too much because what I've just found after doing this for a while now is that you can really customize how much calories or protein or just whatever, you can actually tweak it. You can really, there's a lot of options. It's all about what you're after. So I don't really review the nutrition too much anymore. As for price though, so this is quite interesting. So for your first go at Gousto, it's actually 0 delivery fees. And then after that, I believe, after your first go, I believe they will start charging you. But it is actually, curiously, £1 less than the others. So it's £3.99. And then what we have is so normally it would be £55 or £54.99 for the 15 meals, which when you divide it by 15, the number of meals, so it'd be about £3.93. Or, when you're starting off, okay, it's £1.47 for your first try. And then when you've got the few discounts of 20%, it's going to be £3.20. Then after that, £3.93. So, thought it'd be cool to actually do a quick comparison with HelloFresh. Although maybe percentage-wise, it can be a little different. The numbers are so small. So if it's, if you're doing this permanently, and so you're just now getting a 0% discount, for Gousto, you can get £3.93. For HelloFresh, it would have been £4.08. So there's only 15 pence. Yeah, double check this. 15 pence between them. And so, I guess per meal, it's like, unless if you're really penny counting, maybe it does make a difference. But yeah, it's not really too much of a deciding factor, at least against HelloFresh. Against some of the others, maybe. This is still definitely the cheapest option I've seen out of everything I've reviewed. But yeah, that's what the price breakdown looks like. So my closing thoughts about Gousto. So it was a cool experience, and the short answer is I don't think it is going to be my replacement for HelloFresh. Something I really liked about it is the way that you can cater to 5 people. So you can get 3 meals for 5 people, which works out to be 15 meals. So yeah, this tends to be my life hack for this sort of meal prep stuff. So yeah, that was really cool, because it meant just within about 3 hours work, produce 15 meals. So that was really, really good. Quality of the food though could be a bit crap sometimes. Like there was stuff like you get, for the pasta, it was like bits of bacon or something, as opposed to pancetta, and so they kind of cut the costs there. And I noticed they do this a lot. They sort of cut the costs, and just the quality is just a bit reduced. And like with the mushrooms, so they don't give you sliced mushrooms, the whole mushrooms, and they kind of like, I think they kind of realize it's gonna take a while, so they're like, oh, you just crush it with your hands, but it doesn't really cook well, And yeah, it's a bit awkward sort of crushing it with your hands. Yeah, the rice situation is just horrific. I don't know why they do their rice like that. Like, surely it can't actually cost so much. Like, rice is very cheap anyway. And then, so the rice comes in these blocks, and then you've got to cook it anyway. But it doesn't really cook, and you're trying to crush it, so I was having to crush it with my hands. And then even later when I was eating it, it's just so mediocre. The other meal was good, but although it said 5 to 10 minutes, it took way longer. Ordering the 50 meals mentioned, and then the ice packs, actually, that was a cool thing. I wasn't expecting at all, just because I get a bit of a bad back, and it's actually really useful having ice packs from this stuff just to put on your back. So that was actually quite handy. And yeah, they're cheaper. It seems to be the cheapest one, so if you're on a budget, this is the way to do it. And the website is really user friendly, but I find they do just cut corners a bit too much. Like, something I thought could be such a quick win for them is the organization of the food when you get it. Like, they could easily just stick it in a little bag, but instead they just give you the whole pile of the food, and so you need to sort it. You need to look at the menus, and it's just an extra 10 minutes, which is a bit like, I don't know, if you're trying to be quick, it's just a bit of an annoying exercise to have to do. But yeah, I think it is worth it. It's definitely worth checking it out, because I think this could be a more favourable option for people if you really can't be bothered to cook many times. Yeah, with a bigger buying and the user-friendly website, this one could be for you. So thank you very much for watching the video. This takes forever to produce, and I'm supposed to be in bed 20 minutes ago. But still out here making the video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you can like and subscribe if you want to carry on watching this sort of stuff. And for Gousto, here's actually the referral link up here. So if you want to try Gousto and you want to get a bit of money off, extra money off your first few orders, and through that give me some money off on if I want to get more Gousto orders, use this link please, and have a great night.